In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Outlook calendar to Todoist. If you juggle tasks and meetings across different apps, this quick setup will help you keep everything in sync so you never miss a deadline or a scheduled event. We'll keep it simple and focused, and by the end, you'll have Todoist talking directly to your Outlook calendar. Start by opening Todoist in your web browser or desktop app. Using the web is a great option because the interface is consistent and easy to navigate. Make sure you're signed into the account where you manage your tasks. Once you're in, head to your profile area. You can usually get there by clicking your avatar or initials in the top corner. From your profile, look for the section labeled Calendars. This is where Todoist keeps all its calendar connections in one place, so you can link external calendars without hunting through multiple menus. Inside the Calendar section, find and select Connect Outlook Calendar. As soon as you click that, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Outlook or Microsoft account. This step is normal and required so Todoist can securely sync your tasks with your calendar. If you're already signed in on your browser, you may be asked to choose the account you want to use. Otherwise, enter your Outlook credentials carefully. You'll likely see a permissions screen, review what Todoist is requesting, and approve it to continue. These permissions allow Todoist to create and update events that mirror your tasks, which is what enables reliable sync. After you grant access, you'll return to Todoist and see a confirmation that Outlook Calendar is connected. From here, your Todoist tasks with due dates and times will begin appearing in Outlook as calendar entries, and changes you make will reflect back and forth. This is especially helpful if you plan your day in Outlook but prefer to manage tasks in Todoist, because both views stay aligned. A couple of quick tips to keep everything running smoothly. Make sure you're connecting the correct Outlook account, especially if you use separate work and personal profiles. Keep your browser open until the connection finishes and give it a moment for the first sync to complete. If you run into any sign-in prompts, following the on-screen guidance will resolve most issues. That's all there is to it. You went to Todoist, opened your profile, navigated to Calendars, connected Outlook Calendar, signed in, and you're done. Enjoy a cleaner, more organized workflow with your tasks and calendar working together.